In this video I will show you how to adjust your Casio watch. I will show you how to change the time and date, also how to start a stopwatch and a timer as well. So first things first, if you want to change your time format from 12 hours to 24 hours, you can press this start button and it toggles. Also as you change it, this P letter shows up here. Then if you want to adjust your time and date, first make sure you are in your time menu by clicking this mode button. Okay, we are in our time, and then we are going to press and hold this adjust button. Okay, here we can change the seconds. If we press the start, it will reset the seconds to 0 basically if the seconds are less than 30. If the seconds are more than 30, it will adjust the minutes up. So let's try this one. This is adjusting the hours. If you want to change the hours again, press the start. On this watch there's no back button, so if for example want to change the hours to 8, we have to cycle all the way through, and we can cycle by holding this lower button. To adjust the minutes, press mode. Again, cycle to how many minutes you need and move to the next one. So we can adjust the year here again. Select the year, date. This is a month. First is months on these watches. Then the day. Again, cycle to whatever you need. Press the mode again and it returns to the main menu, and we have set our time and date successfully. To go out of this menu, click this adjust button and it will start working as normally with your new time and date. Also on this watch you get dual time. To go to dual time, press this mode button till you see DT, and you can also adjust this dual time the same way. Press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and adjust whatever you need. After done, click the adjust button and we are done. Okay, so let's set up a timer. To do that, cycle to TA, and if you want to set how many minutes you need, again press the adjust button and hold it. Then these are hours basically. Again, we have to scroll. So if you want to set minutes, again, how many minutes you need, and that's it. To finish this setup, click adjust, and to start your timer, click start. Okay, by clicking this we can pause it and resume again by clicking that. So to go back out to other menus, click the mode button again. So stopwatch is very easy. Click start and your stopwatch starts. We can also pause by clicking this. Okay, if you want to reset the stopwatch, click the adjust button and stopwatch automatically. Then your watch also has light here. In case you are in darkness, you can press this and light will turn on. I have very bright light, so you can't really see that it's on, but yeah, you press and hold this to turn it on. Then on your watch you also got 5 alarms. You can go to your alarm again using the mode button till you see this AL. Then you can cycle through the different alarm numbers by clicking the start. You see, you can set different alarms here. So to set an alarm, to adjust the time, first again hold this adjust button and set the time you need. Hours again, hours, and then to go to minutes, press mode button, adjust the minutes, then press the mode button, and you can probably see at the top there's starts blinking here. And this we can set up a date for here. So click start to adjust the date when we want this alarm to sound. This is pretty cool if you want to sound it all the time and not in this specific date. Again, make sure both of these are at 0. And you turn on the alarm by clicking the adjust button. You see, it pops up here. You can also adjust different options here. So if you want to turn off this alarm, make sure it's not illuminated here. And that's how you use this watch and set up everything on it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!